Road trip, $5. Heights, weights, names, numbers.
So our daughter Maggie is a sophomore from Minneapolis area. She's down at TCU in the athletic training program. So normally we're big time Gopher fans, but for tonight, one night only, we're wearing our purple. A lot of dirty looks, but people have been kind enough to offer us free beers and brats.
Do that. Clean up on aisle 3.
I had an 8 a.m. class and then got on a plane and flew here today because I love the Frogs and we're going to win today. So,
yeah, I'm a senior and skipped all of my classes because it's worth it and the Frogs are going to kick some booties and we're going all the ways! Go Frogs! Go Frogs! Woo!
It's a great team. They're a bunch of very humble young men, and they've worked really, really hard over the last spring and, of course, even last 2 days getting prepared for this upcoming season.
And Trayvon's got a hit. We had, what, 3 open guys for touchdowns that he overthrew. You can't play like that and win.
It looked like there were times where you could have had separation there, and just where
we just didn't make the play. So, you know, even there we had the double wheel where we had the guy wide open in the end zone. It was a touchdown, and we overthrew it. Bottom line is, there's no style points. The guy's open, just throw it to him, lob it. I don't care. He was so wide, I might have been able to throw it. Okay? You got to make those plays. Period. You got to make those plays in big ball games. But the good part about it is, we learn from that.
Trevon, Gary was just saying though that a couple things you had guys open and just weren't able to connect on that one. Were there a couple throws you'd like to have back?
Yeah, the 2 touchdown passes were the things that just stick out to me. It was just wide open guys and just trying to give them the ball. It was just too anxious or whatever you want to call it, but it's just something that just can't happen if you want to try to go on the road in games like we try to do today. For as me just playing a position, you got to have a short memory. So when we turn the ball over, my next thing is what's the next play or what do we do next. So I try not to let those things get to me at all and just keep playing the game.
Ron, what can you guys take from a game like this where you kind of have to grind it out a little bit instead of scoring?
No game is going to be easy. I mean, we're the number 2 team in the nation, and everybody's gunning for us. So we're going to get everyone's best shot, and I think it's to swing our best punch back, and I feel like we did that today. It wasn't pretty, but at the end of the day, we're 1-0, and that's all that matters.
Trevon, would you be surprised if y'all dropped from that number 2 spot this week?
No, not really. Well, yeah, I would, just because, I mean, you have to think about going on the road and playing a team like Minnesota. I mean, no game, like I said, no game is going to be easy. We're going to get everybody's best swing, and I just feel like people know that. And at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what happens as long as we control our own destiny. We're 1-0, and then move on to next week and get better.
For us to come out with a win, I'll take it as a positive. Our goal first is just to get to 6. You want to get bowl eligible. How do you get to bowl eligible? Then if you can get bowl eligible, then you can find out if you can do all the rest of it.